Hello all, my name is Jelena Tohadarević. I have met some of you during our Zoom meeting, so hello again. I am a business teacher at Liberal High School. I teach 3 business classes. This is my 3rd year of teaching. But I'm counting as a second one because my first year was during the pandemic when we had no students and the entire school year was online. I have completed transition to teaching program this past spring, and I have to say that it helped me so much during my teaching career because I had no teaching experience other than teaching online, but that has nothing to do with teaching in person. So the classes really helped me. There are many tips and tricks, lots of reading, but some ideas that helped me be a teacher that I am today. I mean, there is a long way to go and to learn a lot, but I can see the change that happened in the last 3 years. Right now I'm taking the 3 classes this fall to complete my master's in education. It is going to be a busy semester, but I am ready to be done. I am married. I have 2 children. I have a girl and a boy. Some interesting things about me is that I have played volleyball for junior college here in Liberal, Kansas. Now I'm teaching at the high school in Liberal, Kansas as well. I have played volleyball at all levels, so I played at the junior college. I played D1. I have also played professionally. I have traveled quite a bit because both me and my husband were professional athletes. So we have been traveling around the world. We have been to over 27 countries and 5 continents. So we need to get another 2 continents to complete all 7 of them. With kids, it's going to be a little bit harder because of the of the money and the time, but we will try to do it. I hope that you have a great semester. I wish you the best in your life, and I'm really excited to work with all of you. Bye.